Welcome back to the OpenAI Codex CLI course. Everything so far has lived inside the interactive terminal UI, but automation needs Codex without a screen to click. In Lesson 21, we meet Codex exec, the headless mode that runs the agent to completion and streams the result. Let's put Codex into a plain shell command. We want Codex to run from a script, no interactive UI at all. Let's use Codex exec. Straight from the shell, we type Codex exec followed by a prompt in quotes. There's no interactive UI here, no boxes to click. Codex takes the prompt, runs the agent to completion, and streams what it does back to standard output. Watch the output flow past. Because it's writing to standard out, this fits naturally into a pipeline, a build step, or a cron job. Anywhere a plain command can run, Codex can now run too, fully headless. For machines rather than eyes, we add the flag that switches the stream to sonal. Now each step comes back as a structured line another program can parse, which is exactly what you want when a script consumes the result. There's a shorter way to type it as well. The alias Codex E does the same thing as Codex exec. Handy when you're writing these into scripts and want to keep the command lines tight and readable. Headless runs can pick up prior work too, not just start fresh. Codex exec can resume an earlier session, so a scheduled job can continue an existing thread rather than always starting cold, keeping full context across repeated automated runs. So this is how Codex leaves the terminal UI behind entirely. Codex exec is the exact same agent, just running non-interactively, ready to drop straight into CI, a build step, a script, or a cron job wherever your automation happens to need it. Here's what to keep. The Codex exec command runs Codex non-interactively. No terminal UI, just a prompt and a result. It streams to standard output or to sonal so scripts and pipelines can consume what it produces. You can shorten the command to Codex E, a handy alias when you're wiring Codex into a script or a continuous integration job. You can watch the full Codex CLI course at Standarity.com, and in Lesson 22 we run work in the cloud and apply it locally.